What's going on, guys? Kooks&Cars here, and today we are bagging a 3.8 liter Hyundai Genesis Coupe.
Oh look, looks like the boys are doing a coilover install today. I wonder what kind of coilovers, hopefully BC. Oh! What's going on, guys? Kooks&Cars here today. And today, welcome to episode 1, part 1 of Driveway of Dreams installs. We're doing an air ride on Devin's 2011 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. This thing's relatively stock, front lip, exhaust. Other than that, pretty cosmetic. We already have the back of the car sort of set up. Don't have the hard lines in yet. There's a little trunk setup we got going on here. Pretty fresh, pretty fresh. Once the hard lines are in, it'll look real nice. Yeah, we'll be renting. Hopefully we'll get the struts in tonight. I literally just got home from work and they were already at this point, so yeah, we'll get the show on the road here. See ya.
The top one?
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, you're ripped. So we gotta wiggle. Look. Oh, it's right there! No, look. Oh. There we go. Let go. Yeah, anyone in the comments that want to beef me? Yeah, watch that.
I don't know, let's try it.
We're going down a trip to a place called...
Not gonna say it. How to do things right 101. Oh, you got a nice rip in those pants.
Oh, I know.
So, update. We got the rear all disassembled now. We got the little bag in there looking all nice and cute. The front, I mean, we didn't get to do much of the front recording wise because the guys were flying and they pretty much did it before I even got home. She's coming along. Next up is gonna be install the rear struts and yeah, start running lines. The rears are in, just like the front. We got some lines to run now, but before we do that, Baz just showed up. Hey, Baz. So we're just taking out the trunk stuff now, starting to get all the line prep ready to go. We got a good amount done. Probably gonna get the trunk setup all finished and ready for the lines to start running, and run a few lines tonight. We'll see what we're feeling, and then tomorrow wiring and finishing up running of the lines, and then we're gonna get some nice clips of the Jenny being slammed. Hell yeah. The boys hard at work. Me, not so much. I'm the cameraman.
You got grommet going in? We got a line. Ran.
We do actually. We have our first fully ran line. Yeah. Caleb's getting cozy in the back here, doing his thing. How you doing in there, buddy?
Oh, I'm doing great.
How you doing down there, Devin?
doing?
Oh yeah, I'm Devin. Wee. Ooh, beep beep boop 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 boop. Wee. Reagan, make sure she's in neutral, parked up. Baz is chilling. So, update number 3. We actually kind of put ourselves down a rabbit hole. All the lines are now done. Hey, Kevin.
Hey there.
They're all ran. Even the exhaust line is ran. We're just tinkering on last little touch-ups to the line. Then we're actually calling it a night tonight. And then we're gonna wake up nice and early tomorrow morning, get the wiring, start tinkering, get it all dialed in. It's actually going pretty smoothly. A lot smoother than installing a twin turbo kit. And bam, it's morning. Just getting everything back out from the mega garage. And yeah, then we're tackling wiring. All the lines already ran. Hi Ollie. I gotta go to work, so I don't have to deal with the wiring and tinkering. I just gotta do the fun stuff, aka installing the bag parts. So yeah, by the time I'm back, hopefully this thing makes a little bit of noises. We'll find out.
Alright guys, a little update. We had to go to Canadian Tire because we needed some big ass shrink wrap for the height sensor clips. The kit didn't come with any, so just got them. We're heading back to Mason's now, and then almost done all the wiring. Then we just got to make some brackets for the height sensors, and that should be it.
I'm gonna cut them down so that it's long.
These are the brackets for the height sensors that we're having a hard time. Yeah, this is OSHA proof.
Alright, so I made it back to the compound. Fellas have been grinding all day. All the height sensors are ran, I guess, but they're having a lot of difficulty on figuring out where to mount it. We're waiting for our boy, the wizard, Logan, to come down and get that situated. So pretty much it's going to be a 3P kit. The boys ran the wiring while I was at work. Little like train lines, just stuff like that they're starting to button up and everything like that. But we're getting kind of close. We're definitely getting kind of close. Yeah, we're getting everything starting to get wired up. Might start doing some testing tonight. See you at next update. So, we had to make a fitting run.
Well, no, we ended up making a McDonald's.
Which then turned into a McDonald's run. Which then we didn't even get the fittings. Clutched up by Devin's neighbor. Get us some 90s instead of some streets.
Shout out to that guy.
Shout out to that guy.
Nate905 on Instagram.
Nate905. Shout it out. Hopefully we figure this out.
Lines are connected.
So this video is turning into how long can it take for us to install air ride? So last night we were having some issues with wiring, so they had to rerun something. Well, the car's off and the compressor's on. They just tapped into a different source. Now this one is actually working. Trunk is all set up and ready to go. Today we're pretty much getting ready to put the wheels on, air it out, and start adjusting ride heights. So yeah, I'll probably do another quick timeline for you. I know we got a few probably in here. So, and we're gonna get some nasty clips of this thing going right on the ground. It'll be nice. It'll be nice. The fellas are just out for morning teas and coffees, and then we're back to it for technically day 3. But yeah, here we go. So, we got the trunk all put together now, which you guys already know, but this is what it looks like. Devin's is a little bit different, obviously. A lot of guys run soft lines. These are hard lines. So Devin had all these made before we even started this install. And honestly, it's kind of worth it because this looks sick. This looks pretty dope. He's got a plate to go under here. This is just the temp fix. Looks spiffy. Fancy air ride stuff. That was good. That was good. Stevie's here.
Very good.
Very nice lag is. I know that's the wrong spot. And you make fun of me as you walk through the camera. Slow. You're slow. You're slow. 230. I'm like, okay, that's a stout thing. 2 Uggas and half a Dugga.
She was like, who's this? I was like, are you fucking kidding me?
So right now we got the wheels now on, ready to start doing some testing. We put these bricks underneath. That way, you know, we can still get under the car after we drop it. Getting ready for the beginning tests.
The door, Kobe.
Oh my god!
Yo, are you?
We're gonna have to add camber to the front.
Okay, so I mean, right now we just finally put the car down. We're gonna have to make some clearances on the front, but the rear's pretty good right now. And then we're gonna start the calibration part soon. I'll get some recordings of that, and yeah, good to go. All right, so we just maxed out the camber. Okay, and we did raise the actual strut part of it a little bit.
Okay, drop yours.
That's better.
Oh yeah.
She's making noises. This is the next part, what we gotta do.
Wait for the back.
That's the front. This is the front right now.
Yeah.
It's probably doing its thing.
Yeah, it's just calibrating, finding the top and bottom. Rock it.
It's purging. It's fine.
And I'll do the back probably.
That's pretty loud, eh, Devin?
Ear and e-brake. Oh my god.
Oh. So now it just looks like we're probably gonna actually put the whole car actually on the ground now. And try to start messing with ride height when he's aired up all the way kind of thing. But when he lowers it, it's pretty low. It's time to get some dirty clips. It's pretty sweet. That's pretty sweet, man. That is dope. I'm not gonna lie, that is dope as hell.
Go up and down. It's like green. Wait for the compressor to turn off. Because you're expelling it.
On the flow. How Devin used to look? On the ground. So we have almost the final product. We gotta lower it a little bit more on the rear. For now, she's good. The height sensors still need to be hooked up. It overall went pretty well. We got it done on the weekend, so that was the idea. Hope you guys like this little wrenching montage, you know. Change it up. We gotta be boring here and there and just install stuff, unfortunately. Until next time, have a great day. Thanks for watching.